back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. So in today's video, I am taking down Christmas, and I'm also doing a Valentine's Day haul of all the goodies that I bought for Valentine's Day. I can't wait for you to see. Okay, let's get started. It's time to take down my Christmas ornaments so I can make way for my Valentine's Day stuff. So a lot of people have been asking me, how do I store my ornaments? And honestly, I just put them in a tub like this. Put them in a tub. The ones that are extremely special, I actually saved the boxes to it. So I actually have, when we went to Walt Disney World, I have the box that Robbie T's baby's first Christmas ornament came in. So his is always the first one to go in because I make sure that that's nice and packed so that it doesn't break. And then what I do with some of the others, tissue paper. I just nicely wrap them in tissue paper and put them in. And since this is only the ornament box, it stays nice every year. So get yourself a nice tub, get some tissue paper, get some boxes, and you're done. Voila. So right now what I'm doing is I'm taking down the sticks that are in my Christmas tree. Don't worry, I'm not throwing them out. I know this looks a little deceiving, but what I do is I actually put them in a white garbage bag and I put them upside down so none of the dust accumulates over the year, and they actually stay beautiful like this. And I just write Christmas tree sticks on them, which I will, and I put them on and they look like this. And my husband just stores them on top of the tub so we know where everything is for next year. I hope this is giving you some inspiration to take down your Christmas stuff, because taking down Christmas stuff, A, is sad, and B, is a lot of work. Goodbye, fairies. I will miss you so. Sorry I can't keep you up for Valentine's Day. You're just too Christmassy. Bye-bye. So everyone, in one of my future episodes coming up very shortly, I'm going to be doing a dessert Valentine's Day episode. So I'm curious, what is your favorite dessert for Valentine's Day? Leave a comment below. Okay, so taking down Christmas stuff is absolutely exhausting. And for a pregnant mommy, it's even more exhausting. So I decided to sit down, take a break, and do my Valentine's Day haul to show you some of my goodies. So, and I do have more coming in. So as the packages arrive in my house, or as my sister Diana is gonna go to Walmart for me to get some goodies for me. Thank you, Diana, because I'm a prisoner in my house these days because of the COVID, but that's okay because it's worth it because I need to keep my little babe safe. So when she gets the stuff, I'll be able to share it with all you guys too. So first things first, I love this garland that I got. Look at this rose garland. This rose garland is amazing. So I am going to make a Valentine's Day garland, then I'm going to put these in. And I'm also going to, surprise! I was recently inspired and I'm doing a Valentine's Day tree. I don't want to take my Christmas tree down. I just don't want to do it. So guess what? I'm not. And I'm going to decorate it with roses and hearts. And it's going to be so gorge. Trust me, gorge. Plus I got some deco mesh coming. So I'll show you all that too. So I'm going to put this in the tree, my Valentine's Day tree, and the garland, so it'll all match. Love that. So this is a sign, and I'm probably going to put this in the fireplace. I don't know if I'm going to put it in the fireplace in my kitchen or in my living room. That's something I'm going to decide once I'm starting to decorate. Don't know yet. So also I bought, which I love this. Ooh. This is for my hair. No, it's not actually. This is for the table. It's a runner. a heart runner. I actually love Valentine's Day because I'm obsessed with hearts, just like I am leopard. I love hearts and I love leopard. Best friends. So Valentine's Day for me, love the holiday. I actually love every holiday. Who am I kidding? Okay, moving on. So these are some more hearts, felted hearts that I got. And I'm gonna like double layer this string garland with the love garland. I just don't know where it's gonna sit. See the vision? I'm sure you do. So that's gonna be somewhere in the house. Don't know where I'm putting that yet. Now this, I gotta see once these go up. So these hearts hang like this. And what I was thinking of doing is attaching them to my garland that's gonna go in my kitchen and have hearts dangle from each side of the garland. How fabulous would that look? I feel like that would look fabulous. So I'm gonna do that. Let's see how it comes out. And then I also got this adorable tablecloth. Now I usually use vinyl tablecloths, but I love this one. I'm gonna tell you why. Look how nice this tablecloth is. It's all hearts. See? Red and white, right up my alley. This is waterproof. So if you can't find a vinyl holiday tablecloth, Amazon actually has the waterproof ones. And it kind of feels like, it's very thick. It doesn't really feel like cloth. It has, I don't know, it's like has an interesting texture to it. And you could definitely see that this will repel basically anything. And with a toddler, I need something waterproof because he's constantly spilling things on the table. Not his fault, he's 3. What is it gonna do? Kids are gonna be kids. So these are my little goodies that I have to share with you now. And as things come, I'm going to add to this video and I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to be using. And the tree will be next week's episode, so stay tuned. Okay everyone, so here's just a couple more items that I'm going to be incorporating in my Valentine's Day display this year. And I just wanted to share them with you. My sister Diana actually picked me up a couple of these, so I thank Diana again. So here's some hearts from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in my garland or my tree, but definitely adorable. Look at these, I love these. These are definitely going in my tree. They're actually ornaments. Oh my God, I just love those. She got me 3 pink and 3 red, and I'm actually loving them. And these are a little garland, but I think this garland, I actually might see for when I wrap presents with, because I just think that's so cute. These little guys she got at Walmart for $3.99 each. I think I'm gonna put them on either side of my fireplace by my tree. I think they would look pretty. And this heart she got at the Dollar Tree. I'm probably going to put this in my Valentine's Day garland. Now I am not doing a Valentine's Day tutorial. I am going to incorporate it in next week's video as far as with the Valentine's Day tree. So you're just going to see like a before and after. And she got these for the mirror in my kitchen, again at the Dollar Tree. And all of these little guys came from Amazon. So these are just some heart ornaments for the tree. More heart ornaments. This is like a heart banner, but I just love these. It looks like the candy. I just don't know where I'm using these yet. These are my favorite. These are fluffy heart ornaments that I'm so excited about. These are actually placemats. And again, these I got on Amazon. And they come in like all different ones. When I open them, you'll see them in next week's video. This is a table runner. Really cute. Now, these hearts are for my tree, but I don't like the green. this red and green looks too Christmas. So I think I'm just going to use like the pink and purple and blue one and yellow, I think there is in here, and not do the green. That should have been lime green, not Christmas green. And this is my tree skirt. And look how nice this is. It's all shimmery and sparkly. So I'm so excited to decorate for Valentine's Day next week. So I can't wait for you guys to see next week's video. Look how these ornaments just sparkle. My favorite. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for next week when I do my Valentine's Day tree and I decorate the house for Valentine's Day. Love Day. If you're new, please leave a comment below. If you're not new, tell me what Valentine's Day stuff that you liked. I would love to know. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know when I post a video. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a beautiful day. See you next week. Bye-bye.